athletes out here.
Yes.
So they are here now for the 400 meter hurdles. The first of the 16 finals. 4x400 is the last event of the evening here today. So some of them will be seen in action, hopefully in the 4x400 as well. Masood 2, Bak 3, Hussain 4, Akalanka 5, Mori 6, Tharang 7, Tharu 8. How I wish there was a bigger crowd, Muthu, here to watch them.
Today, yeah, we have a big crowd, being Sunday and the last day.
And wonderful climate. So there they set off now. This is the first of the hurdles that they're going to clear and clear with ease. Look at lane number 7 there, the Tharang of Sri Lanka. In 8, Tharu as well, Nepal. This is where it will all start happening. The Indians are now wanting to catch up. The one next to him is Ruchit Mori going strong.
Yes, he is catching up now, and Ruchit Mori is trying to catch Tharang of Sri Lanka is well ahead, and this is the point where Ruchit Mori is moving ahead. Of course, Akalanka of Sri Lanka from lane number 5 is also getting ahead, and it is between Akalanka and Mori.
You might have Bag catching up there. There is Bag. It is Mori. It's the Sri Lankan. Mori goes ahead. Lane number 6 it is Ruchit Mori, who broke the 50-second barrier. You can see the joy in his face. And the barrier at the interstate, he's had a great comeback, Muthu, after a 3-year layoff because of an injury.
Yes.
Can you imagine a 3-year layoff after an injury, and he's come back out here to win the 400 meters? What an event this has turned out to be.
Excellent event, and Mori made it really well in the last few meters, beating Akalanka. And for the third also, I support, yes, Karnabag had, I think he'll be moved to 4th. Hussain is expected to be 3rd as per my lookout.
Fingers crossed, Muthu. Let's wait for the official result. Obviously, it's taking time. 50.10, not sub 50 for Ruchit Mori. He's got the 50-second barrier which he broke at the interest. You were right, so I will take back my words. 51.06.
Yeah, probably by 1,000th fraction, Karnabag is getting the 3rd place.
Well, lucky. And there is the Indian. There comes the Sri Lankan.